Hello, this is Mindful Gains. Welcome to my channel. This is day 70 of my 84-day challenge, transformation challenge. I've just got back from the gym and I'm looking for a bit of a refuel, a quick snack. I'm gonna make some kale chips. They're gonna take 2 minutes. So I'm just heading out into my garden. I've got a kale plant growing out the back, so I'm just gonna go and pick some leaves. Oh, what happened to my kale? Oh dear. Somebody got to my kale first. Beck, I think somebody ate the shit out of our kale. Might have been that dog. Here's my little sous chef provisionist. Beck, did you get any kale from the supermarket? Because my little sous chef provisionist has purchased some kale, so that's disaster averted. No need to grab a pen for this one. Very simple ingredients: kale leaves, 1 tablespoon of oil, we're using coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of himalayan salt, 1 teaspoon of balsamic, and a pinch of pepper. Your first task is to peel the leaves from the kale stalks and place them into a bowl. In said bowl, add coconut oil and balsamic. Add salt, add pepper, and toss it all together. Place the ingredients on a baking tray, spread out evenly, and then pop it in the oven for 5 minutes. Voila, kale chips. Just pulled them out of the oven, they look delicious. Let's go out into the garden where my boys are playing with their favourite Uncle Scotty. See what they think to our kale chips. Archie, do you want to try some kale chips?
No, me.
You want to try some, Kiki?
Yep.
Tell me how good they are.
It's so yummy.
Are they good?
Yeah.
What do you reckon, Arch? Marks out of 10? What? That's like an average 5 or something. See what Scotty thinks.
What is that?
Kale chips.
Oh, a kale chip.
Good
It's
shit.
not as bad as the kids think.
No.
It's pretty good.
Take that. I think that's about a 5, an average 5. They're a tough crowd. I'd give them 10 out of 10.